All right, we're out here. We're at the Spillway below the Francis E. Walter Dam. I've never been here before, but I've been told it's fantastic. I mean, it's rip-roaring up there, so we won't be able to do much towards the head. But back here, I mean, there could be anything in here. Trout, smallmouth, largemouth. I've heard there's pickerel, walleye. Who knows, man? Who knows? We're gonna try a couple different things. I got some new swim baits yesterday, some little guys, trout slash smallmouth swim baits, I suppose. Nothing crazy, just a jig head and that, and then something a little bigger and a little more vibrant. See what kind of bigger predators we can catch the attention of. But I'm gonna start with this jig head because I mean, I'm assuming it's relatively deep down there, so you know. Sean? Oh yeah. That didn't take long. It's bass of some sort. It's a largemouth. A little one though. Oh no, it's a good smallmouth. Hello. Look at how brown this fish is. It's like slimy and brown. A little guy. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. First one for the Lehigh. There you go, bud. Oh, it drops off pretty fast off this like cliff, I guess you want to call it, right here, standing on. So I suppose you can give it a little bit to sink when it's way out there, but I don't want to. It's all these big rocks. I don't want to get caught in those. That's a fish. Yep, I think it's a trout. First one. No, what are you? A rock bass? What are you? It is a rock bass. A little one. Well, that's certainly interesting to catch today. Didn't expect that, but we're not opposed to that. I don't think I caught a rock bass all year, so. First rock bass of the year. There we go. Woohoo. All 6 inches of them. That's one on. Yep. Smallmouth, it feels like again. Maybe a little bit bigger than the last one. Oh, it's a trout this time. All right. Rainbow. Let's guide you into this nice little pool we have here. Beautiful. First rainbow of the fall. Just hooked by a thread. Beautiful fish. And he's gonna go back. Yeah, I mean, we're here for whatever bites, but I was hoping to catch some trout today. That was my big scheme. There's our guy sitting right there. He's recovering. It was a good hard fight. But yeah, my big thing today was I wanted to catch some trout. Preferably big trout. That one wasn't big, but it's a start. Means they're still in here. So we'll take that, you know? Ooh. He hit it really hard. Like, really hit it. And it's a 3-inch smallmouth maybe. So that's pretty funny. He drilled it. I was just about to say, oh, big hit, and then I felt him on the end of the line after the hit. I wasn't really even sure I still had a fish on. That's a fish. Yep. Hello. Just picked it up off the bottom and we had one on there. What are you this time? Another Rocky? Looks like it. Hello. Little rock guy. Goodbye. Oh yeah. Another perch. Oh yeah. It was a little bigger than the last one, I think. Just by a hair. Nice looking fins on that fish. Get lost, buddy.